Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about Ethereum, and we will be discussing that how the market has responded. And it was awesome. The market was actually performing on the prices, and the way it has reacted to the supports and resistance. And also we will be talking about Ethereum, that what are the future of the Ethereum and what we are going to see in the next coming days. You see that from where we have started our first video, when actually I started my channel, and I decided to come into the this field, that I would be sharing my analysis with the people as well, instead only doing my own trading. So I decided that I will go on YouTube and I'll start sharing with them. So actually this was the place where the market was standing around 2400, and from there we gave you the prediction that market is gonna get toward 2200, and then 3400, and then 3600. These are our main targets. So the first target was 3200, that was also met, and after that we went further to 3400 and then 3600. All the targets were met, and now in the last video we were telling you that how the market is gonna react to the our support level. So in actual, from here around 3200, almost 3300, 3290, we had a support level, and also there was moving average as well there, and all the indicators were showing that it has to go up, and we predicted that market is going to hit 3700. So actually in the next day market has hit 3680, and then we told you that now there would be exhaust in the rally, and this rally will come down toward our support level, and after retesting that level then market will go upward. So exactly the same thing happened. Unfortunately yesterday I couldn't make the video, so I wanted to tell you that this is the region where market has taken the support, and actually it was necessary for the market to reflect back in case market has to go up and also amend the situation. So now you already know that 3700 is already done, the level has already reached, and market has there was a pullback in the market, and around 30, it was 3800, 3680, and then market started from here till 3540, exactly to our support level, and from here market posted double bottom, and then started moving upward. And that every there is higher lows and higher highs forming up. If you talk from here, the market is doing the same thing. Every low is not going to breach, and then every high is अमेंडिंग द प्रीवियस वन. और अभी हमारे पास जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन है उसके हिसाब से हम देखें तो मार्केट अभी भी हमें बुलिश लग रही है अनटिल देयर इज़ अ फर्दर शिफ्ट इन द मार्केट प्राइसेस. तो अभी आपको अगर ये बताना हो कि मार्केट अभी हमें नेक्स्ट में कहाँ लग रही है, हमें कौन से जो है वो इंडिकेटर्स हमें बता रहे हैं कि क्या क्या, तो उसके लिए आपको हम अपने इसी वीडियो में बताएंगे कि कौन कौन से रेजिस्टेंस और सपोर्ट आपके पास हैं. तो मार्केट अपने नेक्स्ट हायर हाइज तो बना रही है हर वक्त अपना, कोई ना कोई every passing day market is crossing their previous higher high, and actually Ethereum is doing very well, but of course it's not as compared to Bitcoin, because still Ethereum is around 3700, and its last high, which was in this year, that was almost 4000 something, 90 something. So that high is still not reached, and the Bitcoin is already double from what it has achieved there. तो इसी पे बात करने के लिए अभी हम आपको बताएंगे कि हमारे पास अभी भी जो सपोर्ट लेवल है वो 3540 का ही रहेगा, और उसके बाद हमारे पास दूसरा सपोर्ट लेवल जो है वो आएगा 3470 का. तो ये 3540 and 3470, these are the major sports, and then the major sports comes around 3380, and then you know already about this sport level, which is I didn't draw forward. तो ये इसी लेवल पे हमें दोबारा मार्केट मिल सकती है अगर हमारे पास कोई नए हाइज जो हैं वो लगते नहीं हैं इस वक्त. तो हमारे पास अराउंड 3270 का रीजन जो है वो मेजर सपोर्ट लेवल होगा, जो कि जहाँ से मार्केट दोबारा ऊपर जा सकती है। तो इस वक्त मार्केट जब तक 3530 से ऊपर है, 40 से ऊपर है, तब तक हमारे लिए एक अच्छी न्यूज़ है। एंड देन वी कैन react on that market prices, and we can still buy with the strict stop loss, and we can go further. But be careful and make sure that you are doing trading with your stop losses, because market is already at its top, and it is already spending a lot of time around here, this level, and it is very slow. As well as if we talk about the Bitcoin, तो वो भी वही सेम सिचुएशन में है। तो हमें कहीं भी एक जो है वो लंबी रैली मिल सकती है, और मार्केट में वोलेटिलिटी हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज फ्रॉम लास्ट almost 1.5 week market is just stuck in Bitcoin and also Ethereum. It is very slow. तो इसी के नज़र में रखते हुए आपको देखना होगा कि आने वाले दिनों में आपको मार्केट कहाँ तक और उसको कैसे ट्रेड करना है। ऑलरेडी हमने आपको लेवल बता दिए, और उसी के हिसाब से आपको ट्रेड करना, I think it will be best for you guys to trade in very careful way and to be very cautious. That is the only way to enter in the market. अगर हम आपको नेक्स्ट लेवल्स के बारे में बात बताएं, तो हमारे पास जो नेक्स्ट लेवल्स हैं वो अराउंड आएंगे 3870 के करीब हमारा नेक्स्ट लेवल है। अगर मार्केट यहाँ से निकलती है तो हम 3870 के करीब मार्केट में प्राइसेस देख रहे हैं। और उसके बाद अगर हम 3950 का लेवल क्रॉस करते हैं, तो देन वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट the next all-time high, which is around, what is happening today, which is around 4060. This is not the all-time high, but still the recent high, that is the high. It is around 4070 or 80. Yeah, it is almost 780. So that is the level where you will be looking for. So right now we have very good support levels from here. Why this is not working? Okay, by the way, leave it. So what we are going to do, let me draw and this line, and then we will work with it. तो हमारे पास पहला लेवल जो है वो 3500, ये स्पोर्ट लेवल है हमारे पास 3540 का, और उसके बाद हमारे पास जो नेक्स्ट लेवल है डेट विल बी अराउंड 3330। तो ये हमारे पास सपोर्ट लेवल्स हैं। और उसके बाद अगर हम रेजिस्टेंस की बात करें, तो हमारे पास जो इसके बाद रेजिस्टेंस का पहला लेवल आ रहा है वो यही है 3720 के करीब। यहाँ से मार्केट को एक अच्छी खासी डिफ़िकल्टी हो सकती है। एंड देन 3850। तो ये रीजन जो है इसके लिए एक अकामुलेशन का पीरियड बन सकता है, डेट विल बी कंसोलिडेशन, and then market will grab liquidity. We can see also a correction from here. So just be careful, market is already about to reach their targets, and then we will be seeing a correction in the market as well. So that's what I wanted to tell you at this time. तो बस इसी के हिसाब से थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहना है आपको, और मार्केट में आने वाले दिनों में थोड़ा सा अपने आप को बहुत केयरफुल। अभी भी आप देखें तो मार्केट जो है वो हाई बुलिश ट्रेंड में है और उसी को फॉलो करती जा रही है। लेकिन ये जो जिस तरह का बुलिश ट्रेंड, अगर आप प्राइस एक्शन को पढ़ते हैं और प्राइस एक्शन को समझते हैं, तो जिस तरह का बुलिश ट्रेंड बना रही है वो एक थोड़ा सा इस वक्त ख़तरनाक होता जा रहा है, क्योंकि इट इज़ गोइंग वेरी स्लो, एंड द रिज़ल्ट ऑफ दिस मार्केट कैन बी इन जस्ट crash in the prices. So that's also you have to be you have to keep in mind, and just that's how we want to tell you. And in the next days we will also be updating you about the whole scenario in the market. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and be safe in your trading.